Okay. Pakinggan nyo, dahil ikaw ang team leader ng winning team, meron kang
You watching me go, but I never listen.
limited edition Ikulaga
No,
jacket
I never let you know. Nowhere in my house now. This is something and nothing you won't say. But let me go now. You want to me say. What you need to know is let it go. What you need tonight is someone never will let you go. And oh, the sunshine, the light will buy you home. Whoa, you gotta know, but I never let you know.
171, pacheck po ng numero. 171.
Let you go.
Anong pangalan nila? Ma'am Veronica, nanalo ko po ng 4,000 pesos. Ito po, bilang po.
This is something different, nothing but sound.
Congratulations! 4,000 pesos for you, Ma'am Veronica.
Ang tanong, sino ba gusto manalo ng instant board office? Ay, ikaw na.
Next winner of 4,000 pesos. 281! 281! Ayun, fantastic galing.
Nakadilaw din, parang si Mami D.
What you need?
Ma'am, anong pangalan?
Oh,
Magdalena. Magdalena, taga saan
let
ka?
it go, let it go.
Galing pang Wilawanan, ito ang iyong 4,000 pesos. Magdalena, 1!
Never let you go.
Whoa!
Sunshine, let the light will guide you home. Whoa, never know, but I'll never let you go. One time, see the light,
Okay, si May! Nasaan? Si Sue?
sunshine, see the light. What you need to know.
Oh, wala.
Let it go, let it go.
That's the
What you
color.
need.
Ma'am, anong pangalan nila?
Let it go, let it go.
297? Check. Ma'am Minoria, ito po ang inyong 4,000 pesos.
Let it
1!
go, let it go.
Oh, congratulations,
No,
ma'am.
never will let you go.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Parang si Mami emotional. Bakit po ba?
Thank you po.
Kailangan ka lang po sana na